Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Restowipes is probably one of the most overlooked aspects of car maintenance, but keeping your headlights clear is essential for safe driving. Over time, headlights can become foggy or yellowed, reducing visibility and potentially compromising your safety on the road. Today, we're diving into Restowipes Headlight Cleaner Wipes, a convenient solution designed to restore clarity and brightness to your headlights, making them look like new. Number 5. SYLVANIA Headlight Restoration Kit. Is your headlight looking dull and hazy? This kit removes corrosion and restores clarity. It will make your headlights look like new again. This kit clears your lenses from sun damage. The road ahead will be better illuminated. You will have a safer and brighter driving experience. The process is simple. First, use the surface activator to soften the plastic. Then, sand and polish. Finally, finish and seal with the UV block clear coat applicator. The components of this kit are good for 2 headlight assemblies. Once installed properly, it has a lifetime warranty. You can rest assured with its quality. SYLVANIA has been in business for over 100 years. They are the world leader in automotive lighting. You can trust its quality and performance. What we like. This kit offers a simple 3-step process, making it easy to restore your headlights. The included UV block clear coat provides lasting protection against sun damage. If you're looking for a long-term solution with a lifetime warranty, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The kit came with everything I needed to clean and treat my headlights. The results are really terrific. The instructions are worth reading a couple of times before you take on the project. It's, actually, a lot easier than the very detailed instructions might imply. Just go step by step, doing each step to both headlights before you move on to the next step, and you'll be fine. Number 4. 3M Ultra Headlight Restoration Kit, 39195. Tired of hazy headlights? This kit is designed to make the restoration process simple. It includes everything you need to bring back the clarity of your plastic lenses. Inside the kit, you'll find a disc pad holder, various sanding discs, and a wax protectant. This comprehensive set ensures you have all the necessary components for a thorough restoration. This kit isn't just for headlights, it's also suitable for taillights, fog lights, and directional lights. It's a versatile solution for multiple vehicle components. The kit utilizes 3M's abrasive technology to remove yellowing and buildup. This process effectively cleans the lens surface without causing any damage. Choose a kit that requires no tools, or one that can be used with a common household drill. The process is straightforward, making it accessible for everyone. What we like. This kit utilizes 3M's abrasive technology to remove yellowing and buildup effectively. It includes various sanding discs for a comprehensive restoration. If you have multiple vehicles or want to restore different types of lights, this kit's versatility makes it a great option. What people say. The kit comes with everything you need: masking tape, sanding discs, and wax protectant. The instructions are clear, and the results were amazing. My headlights look much brighter and clearer. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, and the kit comes with everything you need, including the masking tape, sanding discs, and wax protectant. Number 3. Chemical Guys Headlight Restore and Protect 16 Fluid Ounces. This product significantly improves visibility, making driving at night much safer. Regular use ensures the headlights stay clear, which enhances your vision and overall road safety. It not only cleans but also protects your headlights. After restoring clarity, it seals the surface to guard against harmful elements. This ensures long-lasting performance in all weather conditions. Save money on expensive headlight replacements. With this product, you can easily rejuvenate and maintain your headlights. It restores their clarity and brightness, keeping them effective for better road visibility. This headlight restorer is simple to apply and provides an effective DIY solution. It restores headlights to a like-new condition. The product keeps your vehicle's lighting system bright, clear, and safe from damage. Looking for a great gift? This is a thoughtful and practical present for car lovers. It helps keep their vehicle headlights safe and shining bright year-round. Give the gift of clarity this holiday season. What we like. This product enhances night vision and provides all-weather protection for your headlights. It's a cost-effective solution to avoid expensive replacements. If you prioritize safety and want to maintain clear headlights, this is a great choice. What people say. The wipes are easy to use and the results are amazing. The headlights look brand new after using these wipes. These wipes are a quick and easy way to clean headlights. Number 2. 3M Quick Headlight Clear Coat Kit 39173. Is your headlight looking yellow and hazy? This kit is designed to clean and prevent lens yellowing. It will make your headlights look like new again. The kit includes 3M abrasive discs and clear coat wipes. You'll also need some common household items like masking tape and a spray bottle with water. Everything you need is in the box. This kit can be used on plastic lenses of headlights, taillights, fog lights, and more. It's a versatile solution for all your automotive lighting needs. It is suitable for a wide range of vehicles. 3M's abrasive technology removes yellowing and buildup without damaging the plastic lens surface. It's a safe and effective way to restore clarity. The process is gentle yet powerful. Choose a kit with no tools required, or use it with a common household drill. The process is simple and straightforward. You'll be amazed at the results. What we like. This kit cleans and prevents lens yellowing with 3M's trusted technology. It's easy to use, making it a convenient option. If you're looking for a quick and effective solution to maintain your headlights, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The lenses are much improved, very clear. This was so easy, no power tools needed. You clean the headlights with alcohol, and sand them with an included pad. They will still look hazy, but then you wipe a towelette across, and they magically become clear. Repeat 10 minutes later with a second towelette, and you're done. Seriously, this requires only slightly more time, talent and effort than brushing my damn teeth. This kit has been the only one eBay found that's under $10 and delivers excellent results, every time, not labor-intensive, and only requires your hands and a little elbow grease. An ITS from a trusted company 3M. The kit contains 3 items: 1 circular piece of 3000 grit sanding pad, not sandpaper, and 2 clear coat wipes. It really took longer to remove headlamp assemblies and reinstall them than it did to do the cleaning and clearing process. But yeah, overall it's an awesome product, and I have purchased this 2 more times and done mine, a friend's and my mom's truck, and all have came out consistent and amazing. Highly recommend. Number 1. Clear Lights Tech Headlight Restorer Kit. Is your headlight looking yellow and hazy? This kit eliminates oxidation, restoring clarity for safer nighttime driving. It makes a big difference. You don't need any power tools. This kit uses a simple 3-step process: clean, dry, and protect. It's quick and easy to use. The kit includes 2 cleaning wipes and 1 protective wipe. This complete system provides everything you need for a full restoration. It's all in one package. This kit uses a proprietary formula designed by Clear Lights Tech. It's designed to give you lasting headlight restoration. You will be amazed by the results. The kit seals the lenses to prevent future yellowing. This helps maintain clear vision for the long term. It's a great investment for your car. What we like. This kit offers a convenient 3-wipe system for a complete headlight restoration. It's designed for professional results in minutes. If you like a simple, all-in-one solution with lasting protection, you should consider this. What people say. OMG, this works great. Lenses were definitely dark. 1 application and it cleared right up. Highly recommended. The application process could not be easier, and note that when some random person approaches you at a gas station and offers to clean your headlights, these are so easy my great-grandmother could apply them. You wipe the lenses with envelope number 1, not rub, not scrub, just a simple wipe to make sure you get all of it. I was able to also do my clear lens fog lights, which were equally crusted over. Make sure you dry them with a paper towel, then let them air dry for a little while. Then you wipe the entire lens with packet number 2, again I was able to do 2 headlights and 2 fog lights with 1 swab. My headlight and fog lenses instantly turned crystal clear like they looked the day the car was made. This product is amazing. It cleaned up our 15-year-old car's headlights like they are new. It was so easy my 16-year-old could do it without any help or instruction. Will recommend this product to anyone I know that needs them. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.